Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how you can lock your pen drive very easily. So let's see. When I go to this PC, so you can see here this is my OS drive and these are the post rest drive and a CD. So whenever I insert the pen drive which is encrypted, so let me just insert. I have inserted, you can see, and here is a lock icon. Okay, so now pop-up will also come for it. Yeah, this one. This drive is BitLocker protected. So means this is protected with a BitLocker which is present in the system. I will show you how to do it. So you can see here, you can see how much storage is full and not full. But here, what you can do, you can see. You cannot see how much storage is full. So when you double click on it, here will pop up will come BitLocker. Enter password to unlock the drive. Okay, so if I give any password, okay, you can see this and unlock. So it will not be, you will not be able to unlock. And if you give the correct password, so let me give, okay, unlock. So now you can see it's unlocked and it's showing that how much space is left and all, and it has decrypt. You can see, we can see inside all the things. So whenever you want to remove, suppose I just want to eject it, so I will just remove the pen drive. So you can see it's removed. Okay, so let me insert it again. When you will notice it's automatically locked again. See, it's again locked, it is not showing. So whenever we do, it will do so the same process will do like that only. The correct one. Okay, you can see it's decrypt. So let's see how to create it after a cool intro. Okay, so now let's see how to do it. Okay, so I have inserted the pen drive earlier. So first you need to go to start button and here you need to search for BitLocker. Okay, you will just type a bit. You can see manage BitLock. So you can just hit enter. There's open. Now you can see this is the pen drive. Okay, removable drive. BitLocker to go. Okay, so it's turned off. Whenever you will plug in, it will show like this, BitLocker turned off. So you need to turn on. Yeah, and also you can also protect your drives too by doing the same process. So I will just double click on it. Okay, so you can see here turn on BitLocker, small option, just click on. Here it will do something. So we will do like with a password. So let's say I give here a password and enter the same password again. Okay, and then I click on next. After that you can also save the Microsoft account, print to recovery key, but I would prefer you to do save to a file. Okay, so you'll just click on save to a file. You can save it anywhere also, but not in your OS file, means in your local disk. Okay, so I'll just save it and then here we will click on next. Then let it be like this only. Now you don't use this because this is for if your pen drive is having a big software or anything inside it, movies and all, then you can do this, encrypt entire pen drive, but we need to do this so it will do faster. Then we can do this to compatible mode. Okay, so then we'll click on next. Then it is asking, are you sure? Yes, we can start encrypting. So it's encrypting, and remember, do not remove the pen drive while it is encrypting, else your pen drive data loss is 101% possible. And let it encrypt. So encryption is completed. So it was that easy only. So now let's test it. So now it's unlocked because it was connected to our computer. You can just remove it. Now then insert it again in your USB port. See, now it's locked. Okay, So you can just double click on it. It will ask for password. Let's give the password which I have given. You can see I have given this one, abcoder123, and then I will click on unlock. So it's unlocked. So that was that simple, friends. So if you think that you are having any important data present in your pen drive, then you can also just use this process, and if you have lost your pen drive, then this process may help you and you are having any important data inside it. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do a like, and please help me to cover 1000 subscribers, as half of the year has passed till I start my channel, but till now I have not covered 1000 subscribers. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.